shot and my Rolex shot. Number one shot and my friend them a chop on the new drop top. Make some girl draws drop. White t-shirt, blue jean shot, Air Force shot, Rolex shot. Number one shot, friend them a chop. No drop top, make some girl draws. Rastaman stay alone for the private jet. Put a few Empress and the push from the block. As me roll out roots, one start back. We are really hard man, so we not the foot. Strictly getting on my pot, stretching on my pot. If you come with me, then you must get shot. Try this thing like the lightning. I'm a target them back a kite pan. I'm a white t-shirt, I'm a blue jeans. I'm a Air Force shot, I'm a Rolex shot. Number one shot, I'm a friend, them a chop on the new drop that makes up. Yo, white tees, blue jeans. Yeah man, I want to say clean hands, pure heart, clean meditation, clean liberty, clean all around. From you say clean, chop on word them say clean. Clean! I want to talk power lifestyle man, remember. Yo, my white tees, I'm my blue jeans shot, I'm my Air Force shot, I'm my Rolex shot. Number one shot, I'm my friend, them a chop on the new drop, then some girl draws drop. White tees, blue jeans, Air Force shot, Rolex shot, Lambo shot, friend them a chop. No job that make some girl draws. Rasta man see alone for the private jet with a few Empress and some push from the block. As me see alone roots when start, they are really hard man, so me nah let me stop. Strictly veggie on my pot, veggie on my pot. If you come with this, then you must get shot. Try this the king, make the lightning fast and the lighting. Rock a high pipe, call me white tees, I'm a blue jean shot, I'm a Air Force. Lambo a shot on my friend, them a chop on the new drop top, next some girl draws drop. White tees, blue jean shot, Air Force shot, Rolex shot. Lambo a shot, friend them a chop. No drop top, next some, cause the thing them a shot like a shotgun. Bad man pagan start to chop down, so eat them walk while pre-chop chop. We just the park up, we a spend panda. Now me tune them a shot on the beat. Yeah man, we a send the whole lot. Give thanks, you know, and them gold bad lion. Bless up there themselves. Art of love, good over evil, Rastafari. Selassie, Jah. One gold the bad lion.
I know them things that want me, I want me to.
Hold it. Hold it.
Golden lion.
Skinny Bush. And the other rest of the artists over there, so say I want one song there. New Land 2025 and 10. So watch out now. Big up to my artists, virgin them. One, Emma. Get to the point. Get to the point. Just get to the point.
Get to the point. Can't say the rest of the night.
Oh yes, it's not a good look. No, it's not a good look at all. St. Elizabeth, oh, me hear them a ball.
Spanish, the artist.
No, it's not a good look. Get to the point, say it's not a good look at all. Westmoreland, whoa, me hear them a ball.
Why is he?
When me hear the rich man looting, and Babylon start them shooting.
I'm doing it.
I don't mind. I don't mind the bunny.
They're not the fire.
I'm not sure of them. Get to the point.
What's the name? Get to the point.
She hold on and let go while falling late. She have mistakes. Even if my pocket should run out of money, the better next day. When get to the point is in the place. Nice enough the place.
That's the name.
Pick up all of the warriors and people.
Get to the point. That's the name.
Pick up yourself. I am the teacher. I'm the teacher for all teachers. Stop dealing. Children, she hold on and I'll let go and fall in day. She happy day. And even if my pocket to run out of money, the better them to see my money, they just hold on. And them not let go. Don't you know the hold on. And them rock me so. Yes, children, she won't go to the maternity and fall in day. And then you have the party. Another thing say this love up there of my mind. So can't say me them just hold on. And them not let go. Yes, them just hold on. And I rock me so. Sure as you want go to the stage show and fall it so. Make me go to party. Another thing say this love up there of my mind. So can't cherry. Them asking for that man of interest. But mama, move your hand from your head to the bar. No, you know the world, no, you do your best. They say every time we hear a ghetto, you just start to call. Them asking for that man of interest. But papa, move your hand from your head to the bar. For the world don't want you set your place. Alright, Sunday school, you never miss it at all. Extra lesson, never miss it at all. Summer class, you never miss it at all. That's one of the reasons why you really have to ball. Silent River, ever is ready. Deeper than deep, every power is from the sea. Now you see them, you come take the rubbish. You must see one, some of them are see run. Bang and rub on Love Street. Alright. Ooh, free, inside free, culture, hey, rock up my feet. Rastafari, yes I am. Different chocolates there.
Yeah, man, different.
Yes, I wanna be a power on the street. Yeah. Oh, you say, oh, you can see me. Oh, yes, yes. Mama, touch up in the day. Mama, oh, you can see me and not love one. And when Papa send me know say Anna bet me come to war. Mama, oh, you can see me and not love one. And when Papa send me, you know say Anna bet me come to war. You never get me from the corner. I dig out the lock of my pocket. Shoot me just a little more. Mama got you fling on, yeah. You never get me from the corner. A eagle and a giggle and a quack. I find the girl talented. Papa want to know what's really going on. Papa, oh, you can see me and not one. And when Mama send me, you know Lana make me go to war. Mama, oh, you can see me and not one. Yeah, well, no. And when Papa send me, you know say Anna bet me forward to war. She said, oh, I knowledge it's more than the sands and the seashore. Oh, yeah. They don't talk to go to college to feel you're more than secure. No, just be like a foolish man who knock upon the wise man door. And Jah will give you more than even what you're bargaining for. Get to the point. Get to the point. Who is an anoint?
Oh my God. Warn me no man, warn.
Sorry.
When I get up with them, I see them in a no answer. That's the fire I love now.
No, you're on the side. Be something from behind.
Big up yourself. You wanna just get to the point, you know, I'm a real family. I'm a family to another family.
Don't scare the shit out of me.
From a family
You would
to
complain.
another family. When there? No. Jaja God family. Okay. Yes, Selassie family.
Oh, next.
Get to the point.
Bitter so. I'm saying you all that.
Big voice.
Bitter so, sicker so. I'm saying you all that in a one Emma, you know. You know what I mean? All heap of love and respect goes to Emma. So now say, real trendsetter. Yeah man, sicker so. I'm saying more time now. I'm saying watching a chop and I'm saying goldie. Yeah man, I said that and you hear me? Find a bad shot them a fall. Alright, now so we are doing it, we are doing that in a different way. So not now alone. Rock? No man, so about it. Picasso! I mean I say watch you now and this is for the ghetto youth them now. So right now the whole land there. All of the New Land people that know so right now the ghetto time. So now say cause you know Jamaica run right now, Melissa Pass and gone and a whole heap of thing go on. So right now this dedicated to all of the ghetto youths them. I just the ghetto youths me defend every time. Young B now I go sing the punchline. You land. And this are no nursery, we come to tell them every time. So we tell them say real ghetto youths living the ghetto life. It's not a pretty sight. You will make it if you try now. A lot of hypocrites and parasites, they want to see you rise. All them do a criticize you. Ghetto youths, you know you got to wise. Try open up your eyes and make judge and guide you. Enemy them off you get a fight. Can't come. You are ready? Watch this. Sure. In the ghetto with no pretty at all. Me hear the little hungry kids down in the city a ball. From man enough not eat, me see a be a white squall. The world them in them belly a crawl. Mama in the market selling some food at the stall. In the boiling sun or even when rain a fall. To all things stuff. Panjaja she call, she give thanks a day. You heard it? Sure. But go on the song. I'm not so much on bitter, New Land. I get to represent. You know what I mean? This one goes out to the government.
Him not started.
You know what I mean? I used to show to how we love ghetto youths. I just to tell them, sure, we ghetto youths living the ghetto life. It's not a pretty sight. You will make it if you try now. That a hypocrite and parasite. No one will see your rise. All them do what criticize yo. Ghetto youth, you know you got two eyes. Try open up your eyes and make judge a guide yo. Anyway, them off you get a fight. You ready now, New Land? Watch this. Sure. In the ghetto with no pretty at all. Here the little hungry kid up in the city a ball. From man enough to eat, me see a be a white squall. Run them, no mix it. Again. In the ghetto with no pretty at all. Here the little hungry kid up in the city a ball. From man enough to eat, me see a be a white squall. And the worm them in the belly up. Mama in the market selling some food at the stall. In the boiling sun or even when rain a fall. Do all things stuff. But Jaja she call, she give. I'm going to tell you what they do that. Sure, we'll get to you living the ghetto life. It's not a pretty sight. You will make it if you try now. That's a hypocrite and parasite. No one must see your rise. All them do are criticize you. Get to you to know you got no eyes. Try open up your eyes and make judge and guide you. Enemy them have it. Really I know. Next verse, watch this. They know them work hard to survive. That's how they stay alive. Some of them 9 to 5 and some of them juggle and do. Get to use some of the fight. Jah will shine the light. Pray to Jah and everything will all. Are you ready? We get to. Yo, freak it. Give me something different. Something current. Give me a current to my fam. Cause you don't sell the tongue drive at work. And the chicken with there a jerk. All the artists there. So now dealing. I used to the youth them and know so right now. It's all about stepping it up. I used to this here. Money off the neck. And we have to check it up, right? Big up all the ladies in the house. You know what I mean? Alright. Liquor some. Weed. Liquor some. My babes. This year so we stepping it up. Make crazy money and we checking it up. Y'all get dry so we wetting it up. Don't show me voice just stacking it up, stacking it up. This year so we stepping it up. Make crazy money and we checking it up. Y'all get dry, wetting it up. Don't show me voice just stacking it up, stacking it up. Don't see them and hide that man of me. How them lose them stripes so easily. See the girl them all that pass them and come and weak. After girl them in the stretch and the gate and the bellies them in the club. See NC. Smoke I grade, that's a lot of trees. We spend the dough, that's a lot of trees. After one of the girls them from Jamaica go back overseas. Stepping it up. Make crazy money and we checking it up. Y'all dry so we watching it up. No show me voice just stacking it up, stacking it up. This year so we stepping it up. Make crazy money and we checking it up. Y'all not dry. I'ma tell them stay when you lie. Watch out now. And so we step up, everything I feel alright. Host them in the ghetto look like a paradise. They make the shot of you, them a unite. Politician can roll them like dice. All my little ghetto friend, them a right this fight. Who not drive car? This what the hype who want to go a party every Friday night. Champagne and spit like pipe. Ready? Stepping it up. Make crazy money, checking it up. Y'all get drive, wetting it up. No show me why, so stacking it up. And that. Me no take coke, you must see mad. Me no eat pork at the hard. Spring chicken in foreign and fried. Me no see chain and crab. No, me no love boss and brag.
Spring chicken and foreign and fried. Spring chicken and foreign and fried.
Well them mama them papa
Spring chicken in foreign and fried.
My lyrics them don't
That's what them said.
Yeah, so we not afraid I not double back crap. Motor, no tone, no grow with that. to crash. That's my job. We're not afraid of beat us up. I mean, I say that you know, love on New Land. I mean, say what you know, big up New Land. Love on.
Shana Bala, Ines Sana, Baby Saturday. Shana Ma. One Heart of Love to every artist there. Festival in a Portmore. Sure. 12th edition. different location. Set the thing. So in the meantime, we can sing a one song. Turn down the lights, turn down the bed, turn down these voices inside my head. Lay down with me, tell me no lies, just hold me close. Don't patronize.
Not a bad idea.
Don't patronize. 'Cause I can make you love me if you don't. You can make your heart feel something it won't. Here in the dark, this final hour, I'm gonna lay down my heart and feel the power if you won't. No, you won't. You heard me singer? I'll close my eyes and I won't see the love you don't feel when you're holding me. Morning will come and I'll do what's right. Just give me till then to give up the fight, and I will give up this fight. But I can make you love me if you don't. You ready, miss? You ready, miss? Oh, from a family to another family. Family Biggie. Emma, your family Biggie.
Well,
From all
unfortunately, you
over
left your
Jamaica.
phone. You left your phone.
I should have bought it.
Duh.
Be busier and I didn't want to risk losing it.
One New Land, one Portmore, one Emma, one festival in a Portmore. Skinny Kush, big up yourself.
See where we go.
Chop, 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 chop. Yo,
Yo,
New Land.
here.
First time in that place, you know. This is Chopper.
How would she?
Yo, Emma, I can't tell you.
I'm not sure.
Watch out.
It's not gonna announce at church.
Could. Mom's not happy anymore.
Nope.
She's not.
Blessed love, blessed love.
Nope.
It's Chopper. I want to rise in that thing. No mercy.
And I'm gonna need a black
I
man.
can't tell you. It's an honor in Panagong, you know what I say? Watch it before I sing it, before I let it go. From a little bit me used to tell myself, say, I have to get rich one day. But if you get rich, me not gonna go the wrong way. Chopper rather work night and day. Still I'm lean until day. If you work hard for your day. Let go the rhythm, boss. Let go the rhythm. No joke. Watch out. I'm glad to be here. Big up everybody in the drums. Yo, Jabrets. Yo, Motor. Yo, baby. hustling, hustling. Big up every vendor where you sell something. They are on the hustling, hustling. Porridge or fried dumpling. They are on the hustling, hustling. Man, I know the taxi as it drive. But they are on the hustling, hustling. We not support him, we not try to take. Respect to everyone where you go for food honest. Who not sit down and depend on promise. Them full of proper one wait for your harvest. And your food them one and them dishonest.
They just want to get to the
Multitask and no one at a time. Anything but you are do start from in your mind. 9 to 5 to 8. Every day man a grind. With the stars are moving night time. Whistling. Every window when you sell something. They have on the whistling. I could have porridge or fried dumpling. They have on the hustling, hustling. No man will know the taxi as it driving. Oh, they have on the hustling, I support you, you know, try to take them back. Man, I hustle from the day my bar. On this side from you looking at my bar. Despite the negativity, you still provide. Pick up all the youths who wipe your glass from Greenwich Farm. Obstacles can be severe, so please be here. And I make my name say I ever flow to my soul. Nobody gave me, and the whole of it we share. Somewhere I've been knowledge and no people when we get up on the hostel. We go every vendor when I sell something. They are on the hostel.
Why?
I put a porridge or fried dumpling. They are on the
What's the
hostel.
extra?
Hustling, the man will load the taxi as he driving. Oh, they are on the hustling. Repeat in order. Like the next shot. Watch out. That is my anthem. You can't tell it.
Horizon Go.
It's out there. Coming soon. This is play on all the radio platforms. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Give me a top. Drop and roll.
Circuit camera making.
No, no, no. Emma.
Give him marks.
But honestly, that's all. Maybe I should just give him one anyway.
For the fear. I cannot share.
Or just get him one anyway. I'll take it over.
Or in that case, option.
Burn now myself, man, a warrior. Strong on the feet with a battery. Emperor Selassie says a clean
They
every
will
step.
understand.
And watch the blades flow like a river. Giving it up and live up it. Make sure the youths and live up it. Education over them war and chips. Constructive development practicing. Them rub off the more than practicing. I never tell them chatting. One will be still have yourself for them and them friend up down them cheesy tricks. Things I can. And the wisdom to know.
Every time we look away, the phone moves.
This is the head of this house. Once he knows to every meal. Silent listener to every conversation. Love, joy, and layer. Hate him and die. Wages of sin is I and I. Yo, come. Living it up and live up it. Make sure the youths and live up it. Education over them war and chips. Push. Now, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
Horizon Go.
Drop on those. All the people in the house who knows them live out this smelly something. Watch her now. Just sing this as an anthem. Chop. Give me serenity for the days I cannot share. Firm now myself, man, a warrior. Strong on my feet for the battle. Emperor Selassie said, believe in a follower. Watch the blessing flow like a river. Go. Living it up and live up it. Make sure the youths and live up it. Education over them war and shift. Constructive development practicing. Them rub off more than practicing. I never tell them chatting. One will be still have yourself for them and them friend up down them chasing free.
Yeah, like empty bucket.
Things I can. Wisdom to know the friend.
Represent. Yo, Emma. Hey. No disrespect, no, no. To anyone. Before you touch me, wash your hands. Cleanliness is number one. No disrespect, no. To no one. Please don't just overstand. Don't shake my hand. No lion pan, no seal up. Look, you don't know how way you feel up. Your mind touch a country can't heal up. After you give your girl peanut. Whether you see when me a roller, using a dinola. Man come touch me and one give me poison to swallow like you went there somewhere else tap on your shoulder. If it down with coke like cola. No disrespect, no. To anyone. No trust. Tell me. No disrespect, no. To no one. Please don't let your superstar. Don't shake my. Someone bring no have a proper hygiene. And them no use Listerine. And ears never clean. Wanna know what I mean? Yeah. So when you see me, I bless your reverence. Cause in these streets, hey. And remember Dallas carriages have sent. In case of an event, don't shake my. No disrespect, no. To anyone. Remember, come, let me get up and live up it. Make sure the youths live up it. Education over them war and chicks. Constructive development practice it. Them about them more than pocket it. I never tell them chatting. Why would we kill ourselves for them and them friend up down them chasing? Yeah. Them say I treat you. I can't get next one. They say can't get a bad man thing. Next year.
Right time.
Yeah, man. You can't come and drop the big song and play all over there. Give me right time, my brother. Let's go back on the file, look for right time. TV track.
For the right time.
Yeah, go back in the TV track and look for right time. Yes, sir. I mean, there's so many songs to sing, you know, Master Rastafari. But we'll try to get a song there for the people in my ear on the radio, on the radio, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's the right time. No, mama, it's the right time. Right time, right time TV track. Boy, every time for sing a song is a problem. Every time for sing a big song is a problem. Just give me a rhythm, just give me any rhythm to sing it, brother. And this man always have to do. It's last time I know. Now the computer now load for my right time song. Come like on the right time. So the time is now. Where's the acapella? Watch out. Acapella, right time. The rhythm name right time, enough hard to step on it, you know what I'm saying? Caesar Kalachi, big up yourself, DJ. Watch out, that one, you don't know. Yeah. No, nobody play that. Yeah, my respect for that salute there. Ja. None now before the right time. Can't choose skin and get lime. Wait to turn about and skip the line. 94 million miles away, me a shine. Never read ya your bad mind. Me focus on have a God mind. Work hard no matter what the time. Whether rain or fall or sun or shine. Road off it take on. No matter what I want. Still not perform. I win a star. Ring the alarm. With lyrics me arm. Just find me farm. Bible in a me palm. Nothing now before the right time. Can't choose skin and get line. Wait to turn about and skip the line. 94 million miles away, me a shine.
Never red guy or bad mind. Focus and never got mind. Work hard no matter what the time. Whether rain or fall or sun or shine. Hey, I've been doing this so long. For my future success is all I see. Even though sometimes it's hard to find little food to eat. Consistently improving my craft in this world of art. My path has been chosen from hours in Angela's art. So nothing now before the right time. Can't juice cane and get lime. Wait to turn about and skip the line. 94 million miles away may I shine. But never read your bad mind. Focus on never God mind, yeah. Work on no matter what the time. Whether rain or fall or sun or shine. Well, know this. One fire me take off, nobody can out it. Man a revolution soldier while some must scout it. Real talk. In a real life, we no come fi bout it. Chop on over fi make it, not doubt it. Write it. Write my name down in a Guinness book, some boy not like it. Two name happy and chop on know them want fi fight it. Well, I two me make score. Some boy not like it, but me not care, me a hype it, so like it. None now before the right time. Chop, 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 chop.
Hold it. Chop and all. Yeah, no, that's it. Not my phone. Chop and all. You know me did want you, Emma, we did want you give as that's actually taking up and Emma. We did want you give a little encouragement. What?
Chapanor. Like Chapanor. Chapanor, like entrepreneur.
Oh.
But so like Chap-a-or.
Good evening, everyone. Just want to say blessings to one and all. Bless up to all of the Rastaman them. You see me? And all of the ball of them too. Can't leave them out, right? And hi to you, beautiful Empress. You're looking so lovely. Welcome
Thank you.
to Jamaica. Not sure if you're Jamaican. But okay, well, welcome to our beautiful island. It's good to have you. But right about now, my name is Pepita. I'm not sure if you're familiar with me, but I work on Nationwide 90 FM. I wanted to tune in on Saturdays. I have a show called Outside with Pepita. It's from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So just tune in, and we feature new artists and stuff. So if you want to get a feature, just give me a talk. You see me? A little later though. Alright, so I am also pursuing music, and I have a little song that I want to share with you. I'm going to do it a cappella, and then I'm going to call up the next artist. Z? So, if you're ready for this, let me hear some forward.
Yeah.
No, you have to say forward. Just give me some forward. Yeah. Alright, so this song is called Never Give Up. I want to say big up to one Emma. She is Portmore's youngest recording artist, right? And she's very talented. She's been to a lot of shows with various artists, right? I think somebody took her on tour with them recently. Is recently? Sumfest, on Sumfest. Oh, not on tour. Okay, alright. May I speak it into being, you see me? But big up to one Emma, and this song is for you. I pray that you will find some encouragement in this song. And to anybody else out there who, you have a dream, this song is for you. Never give up. Though it's rough, just don't give in. Never give up. Persevere and you will win. Never give up. Though it's rough, just don't give in. Never give up. Persevere and you will win. I know the road is rough, but the hotter the battle, the sweeter the reward will be. I know you want to give up, sometimes you feel like crying, but this is how life has to be. And every time we try to shine, they try some way to put us out. But God is not blind, He takes some time. He helps me lift my head up high, never give up. Though it's rough, just don't give in, never give up. Persevere and you will win, never give up. Though it's rough, just don't give in, never give persevere and you will win. Blessings, blessings. Alright. So, our next artist is very extraordinary. He is also from a legacy. And I like to call him the next roar of reggae. So, just help me to welcome to the stage at this time, Muta Young. Muta Pandem. What the forward there?
I'm
What the forward there? 1, 2, 3.
Give it to the Muta Young or Young Muta? Is it Muta Young or Young Muta?
Yeah, man, give thanks to the Empress of Balance. Blissfully Tennis, Rabu Tepatan, Erica Wadada, Erica Salam, whole Newland family. Yeah, man, Power Lane, Our Lane, Rastafari, Liberation. We not do this in a high park lane. Kick it from top now. Turn it up. We not ramp with it. Yeah, man, skinny coach, I sceptical. All I lie and when I play, Selassie. Break it from top now and don't play with it. Turn it up. Yeah. Newland. Take care of the children them from early out. Don't let them stray. No, never take the dirty road. Even though the visa set up sweet, just to lure them out. I know the microchip is coming for surely now. So drink your roots and eat your foods because it purge you out. Talk is cheap, so never listen where them out. Some little guy a try, but him we never heard about. Hold your head up high, from you know what you're about. You like, who them a try trick, who them a try fool. Me never see no dish run away with no spoon. Most I never see no cow jump over no moon. So why you want to teach you use them that in a school? The earth is for the something and the me. Mankind no love you, them just need. What's the substance them giving you to eat? Got to keep one eye open when you sleep. Newland, the earth is for the something and the me. Mankind no love you, them just need. What's the substance them giving you to eat? Got to keep one eye open when you sleep. Here we go. Right now, what change our times? We need to realize the bigger heads are change up everything in front we eyes. They want us all to normalize and work in their disguise. Still live hand to mouth. Imagine if you have a child. Them idol always scrolls and switch with scriptures. Them sacred knowledge without college from way back when. We coming from the land of Kush. Yeah, man, no Kush. I'm fun. And that's how we are fought from as Africans. And we're born Africans, because we don't need English language. And Kebolan, we are real mama warrior.
Akebolan.
Selassie. Here we go on Newland. Land of me. Mankind no love you, them just thief. What's the substance them giving you to eat? Got to keep one eye open when you sleep. Alright, the earth is for the suckling and the meat. Mankind no love you, them just eat. What's the substance them giving you to eat? Got to keep one eye open when you, yeah. That's what I Selassie, I live and reign. Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First. Jah!
Rastafari.
Can't hear the item, I want to go on. No life, no there. I Selassie, Jah! Yeah, live and reign in the heart of all flesh, where more than one is gathered in His name. Yeah, man. Run it now. How we are going? Yeah. Hold on there. Ease. I be a fuck, we are going to that place, you know. All over, you know. And I just say, you know. I different regime right now. We not stand for no more fuckery. Not through a power lane. We not deal with no PNP, no labor right. Remember that. We burn the two of them. A red, gold, and green. Right there, so kick it. Yeah. When we say fire for burn, we want to hear the item say fire for burn. When we show the item, the fire for you see it? Alright. See it now. Newland. And if them are 12:30, I could have was about 30. new age Rastafari too. I wanna eat through the fire. I burn it red, I continually. When I stop burning, them can't stop it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And if your heart well dirty, I coulda was about 30. Soon the dragon and the clergy, them could never try perjury. Rape off people picnic, put tax on the grocery. One like say them holy, put tax there. Put the teeth 30 billion from petrol jam. Let the people them hungry and no food for them. When me buck you, the people blood is in your hand. Mr. Man, we don't need no explanation. JPS and water rate is still running from. On the bill highway pound we farmland. And your phone bill still cost 30 million. Alright, if you are 1230, I could have was about 30. So the dragon and the clergy, them could never try perjury. Rape off people picnic. One like say them holy. Put tax on the grocery. Them could never try perjury. Put the arms up the youth with ammunition. Flood the streets with drugs and prostitution. Put the same one lock we in the junction. And send you back to hell. Alright, SSL, you know see, it's a big crime that wanna give it back old money cause we done chat. Wanna see them one make the youth them start chat. We need reparations now. And if your heart well dirty, I could have was about 30. So the dragon and the clergy, them could never try perjury. Rape off people picnic. One like said them holy. Them could never try perjury. Yeah, that's that now. Going on. Run something else then, man. Yeah, all the beautiful people in the place. Say 2 Empress there, I don't know. 3 Empress there, we not laugh with it. Know yourself, man, a different time. We are running a Akashella right now, things don't find so. See it here. Black card if you need to. Drive your own vehicle. How to win friends and influence people. Them books that you into. Some girl just evil and wicked, yo. Blame it on insatiable libido. Incapable and libido. Boy, you no regular, you keep it on a limit, no. You know no skeletons in your closet. You no sit down on your asset. Skim milk masquerade in a scream. Them a actress Angela Bassett. No step foot in any dance. Well informed on the Harlem Renaissance. While them a gossip over spilled tea. Make them know you no mix up in every sauce. Miss Intangible, my Maya Angelou. My world, my girl, more precious than pearls. I love you, my baby. What go on? Run something, anything. Alright. Let's see what go on. I knew something, you know. That them do. Yeah, you don't know when I hit through the fire, you know. A young motor, this a reggae dance all our culture. Flick it from top. Flick it from top. Blissfully Tennestal in Rabu Tepatan, Erica Wadada, Erica Salam. Illumination, you know, triple darkness. Newland Massive. Alright. We want ours and we want it now. We want ours and we need it now. We want ours and we want it now. If you're this Newland, you're gonna get boom. We want ours and we want it now. We want ours and we need it now. We want ours and we want it now. If you're this Newland, then you're gonna go. It's a judgment, them cannot escape. Rastafari never move like a scale fish. But them would be cheap clothes, them a fairy. Them over there so could never ever fail me. They come to defend the youth, talk it clearly. Traitors lie enough of them just a thief. What said the white man them our beach? Burn them at we hot at them feet. The bugger them a move like pirates and the You know it going on, Alice last year live and rain, you know. We not do no stage show set like say album launch, but we love and rain Sunday. A charity. Empress Emma, the young princess. Love the eye. Yeah, keep doing it. Don't stop. I Chantical. Young Motor. We have it, man. Have everything secure.
One more time.
Young Motor.
One more time.
Young Motor. Young Motor. I don't hear you say nothing about Emma. And I that me didn't want to hear you say no Young Motor. Word of encouragement. Just a word of encouragement, Young Motor. I want you to talk something nice. Empress, video the party. Because I go get it. Yes. Empress Emma, you are 12. You know, when me are 12, I have big aspirations and big goals and dreams. Never stop doing it. Never stop giving your dreams. Don't give up. Always live up. Always. One Emma. Empress Emma. Princess Emma. Selassie, Young Motor represent for you all the time, you know? Always, everywhere, anytime. Yes, Young Motor. Pepita. Jesus Kani Kushinani. One connect. One connect. The whole I want them. Prophet Revolution, you ready? Your relation is up. Prophet Revolution.
Young people, good night. The prophet revelation, the new sensation. The girl, the money, some foreign stern, the union, the grand passport, and visas, and the girl, the sex salon. Revelation, the girl, the build man. We say, he's not Lord. Don't say not Lord. Yo, New Land. So, no star. Go on, here, go on. You see, right now, I'm going to prophet revelation, is the Raswani. We are going to bless the place, you know. We know the Most High, we are nothing. Give thanks and praise to the Most High. Creator of the universe, give off life, keep off life. Thanks for this moment, thanks for this privilege. Thanks for this most beautiful gift, the birth of life. Thanks for what you have done, what you have doing, and what you are about to do. Here, I must give thanks. And thanks for the giving of thanks. I want to prophet revelation, you know. I must say, fly away home to Zion, fly away home. One bright morning wind, my work is over, we're gonna fly away home. Everybody, what a mighty God we serve. What a mighty God. Did I read? We serve. Angel bow before him, heaven and earth adore him. So what a mighty God we serve. New Land, I'm inviting you all. Come along, we're having a glorious time. We are going to that seat. Remember those song? Moonlights never shine. Oh, yeah, we may not know, cannot tell if others will be there. I know Jah himself will be our light to guide us by the way. Don't you trouble Zion, New Land. Don't you trouble Zion, because Zion have a key.
Yes.
Open sinners on. Yeah, don't you trouble Zion. Yeah, but we have something I want to rotate, man. But know that one, yeah? I man say, where is the Black Star Liner? Black people ready to go back home. Big up Ibrahim Chire. I said, where is the Black Star Liner? My people ready to chant it back home. You say, one by one. We are go Africa, 2 by 2. We're gonna Shasha Mali, 3 by 3. We are going to Kenya, go link up the ancestors, 4 by 4. We are going to Guinea, 5 by 5. We're gonna Shasha Mali, 6 by 6, yeah. We are going to Libya, go link up the ancestors. Hey, you take a stop down a Burkina Faso. Oh God, go look at the great works. We even try him and do. Where man do? When we land on the ground, everybody give I welcome. People are celebrate and everybody a jump up and down. When them a sing, he built him, try he built him, try he built him, try go down on your knees and pray. I said we raise the Black Star Line up. Black people ready to go back home. Stop suffering our home. Where is the Black Star Line up? My people ready to chant it back home. Yes, I take our good on our good doko. What you say?
Look at that.
John, you can't find nothing all of me general. Alright, so the one here, the one in take a World War III. They're heading for a World War. Oh God, America don't make it reach so far. They're heading for a World War. Oh Jah, Europe don't make it reach so far. Go to the conference table and sit and talk it over. War is not the way, love is the answer. Just tell me what you're fighting for. Some fighting for island tar, some fighting for silver and gold, some fighting to rule the whole world. But on the new world order, is that you're fighting for? Or new world order, you see it? Is that you're fighting for? We don't need another world war. Oh God. Are you answer that? Alright. We don't need another world war. Oh God. America don't make it free so far. No. Oh God. Our leaders come together and lead as one. No matter your class, your race, or religion. Go tell me stop rocket man, rockets all over the land. We stop the temptation, cause we don't want no moderation. We're heading for a world war. Oh God, America don't make it be so far. No. Hey, we're heading for a world war. Oh no. Russia don't make it be so far. Yes, I. Pull up, come again. Alright. This is the one you know. Pull up, come again. And the poor people want them, the one that got dumping and chicken back, you know. The one that tackle dumping and chicken back. Poor people want them. What go? Me love me dumpling and chicken back. Cause me no matter when nobody wants shot. Me love me dumpling and chicken back. Anyway, I make the girl them so fat. Me love me dumpling and chicken back. Cause me no matter when nobody wants shot. Me love me dumpling and chicken back. Alright, I make the girl them so fat. Anyway, Sunday, they cook curry chicken back. Monday, brown stew chicken back. Tuesday, french fried chicken back. Wednesday, pot roast chicken back. Thursday, barbecue chicken back. Friday, the jerk chicken back. Sunday, me cook soup with chicken back. What? Me make oil with the fat. Alright, you ever see some hot gal when they go a shop? You call for the chicken, whisper the back. Enough of them a say them not eat chicken back. I like them a tell them can't cook chicken back. You want fat chicken back, baba chicken back. New chicken back, cheap chicken back, foreign chicken back, a local chicken back. With every chicken back and the same chicken back. No, y'all a bitch of you a curry chicken back. Why for me to fight for chicken back? Them say them a hot y'all a can't cook chicken. Me dumpling and chicken. Good night.
Bless her, bless her.
Ross Money, step up.
Yes, Prophet. I listen last year in the man.
Have some.
Yes, please. Find the trap, I'm say, yeah, go on. Are you a computer? Alright, stop it. So last. Greetings in the name of Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie. Yeah! Rastafari. It's a great joy and a pleasure come say I, Samaj. Platinum, I see you don't feel like me not see you in a youth. Yeah, my brother for years. I, Samaj. Pick up yourself, youth. How far where I come from. I thank God. Prophet Revelation and all the artists over there. Art I love you now. So watch you now. Drop it now. I was yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Watch this. I said me not like them kind of Babylon. I said me not take them kind of ease off. Now we are singing a Babylon. You know that guy, sir. So last year, my brother. Platinum, big up yourself, you to the big man. And boy, yeah, motor, here's the yard. One Emma. You see how they look. Doctor. Say me not like them kind of Babylon. I said me not take them kind of wicked man. Cause I'm a righteous Rasta and I am a judge one man. See, I and I go beat down Babylon. I and I go beat down Babylon. See, I and I go whip them wicked man. I and I go whip them wicked man. Oh, what a wicked situation when I and I starving. Get this may cause a revolution and a dangerous pollution. See, I and I go beat down Babylon. Isa. I know about the line of the show that him say, yo, do you want to sing that song, yeah? And John know him drop out, but life goes on, and we'll keep him music alive. Drop it one more time. And Jonah Bag is the original. Oh yeah! All artists big up on themselves. Say me not like them kind of Babylon. I say me not dig them kind of wicked man. Because I'm a righteous Rasta man. And I am a genuine one man. See, I and I go beat down Babylon. I and I go beat down Babylon. See, I and I go whip them wicked man. I and I go whip them wicked man. Oh, what a wicked situation when I and I starving. That this may come from revolution and a dangerous pollution. See, I and I go beat down Babylon. I and I go beat down Babylon. See, I and I go whip them wicked man. I and I go whip them wicked man. Oh yes, yes, yes. So whip them, whip them. Lord, Lord, whip them, whip them. Whip them, whip them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I find something more there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, yes, yes. Go right into the file of a show. Watch this. I say me no like them kind of Babylon. I say me not dig them kind of wicked man. Cause I'm a righteous Rasta man. And I am a genuine one man. See, I and I go beat down Babylon. I and I go beat down Babylon. I and I go whip them wicked man. I give me some names. I'm not particularly when I'm there for waste time. Oh my God, that's satisfying. And I want to sing my original rap on it. Alright then.
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, yes. For the ladies. Emma, big up yourself. Watch this. Hey, pull up. Pull up. And I rush in.
Start over.
I see I learn the thing. Take your time, yeah? Oh, yeah. You may not be a movie star, and you may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. I'll keep on loving you. I don't know why. Yes, I don't know why. I don't know why. You see, I don't know why.
I don't know no more.
Don't dress you well, but be so tight. And old folks may say that ain't look right, but I don't care about the view. I'll keep on loving you. I don't
He's
know
not
why.
afraid him fall off.
Different track general.
He's not afraid him fall off, I said.
I don't want the answer. Cause I want to sing original.
Because him not no balance.
Yeah, them thing I went with the over song. We keep them, you know what I mean? We tired of this. Yeah. Everyone must say this. You know me tired than the fussing. A full time we live loving. And ask God for more blessing. And spread the love we got in the You know me tired than the fussing. Full time we live loving. And ask God for more blessing. And spread the love we got in the Just know the time has come. Oh, you have to put down the gun. We all wanna have some fun. So tell me why we should each other down. Come make me party till the sun comes down. I mean no one here, no eight about. Cause even though the time is getting serious, then you we have to think and just slow down. You know me tired and the fussing. Full time with it. Hey, pull up a stand. Pull up a stand. Cause this me a drop and leave, you know. Hey, me out. We grew up in the 13 and we grew up in the Spanish town and we grew up rough. Them tune are real. Them tune are not fake. And enough you to say what? You know me tired and the fussing. A full time we live loving. And ask God for more blessing. And spread the love you got deep within. You know me tired of the fussing. Full time we live loving. And ask God for more blessing. And spread the love you got deep within. You know what time has come for the youth to put down the gun. We all wanna have some fun. So tell me why we choosing each other down. Come make we party till the sun comes down. I mean no one here, no eight about. Cause even though the time is getting serious, say you tell me we have to think and just not love. You know me tired and the fussing. Full time we live loving. And ask God for more blessing. And spread the love we got in within. A full time for us to all unite. Got too much innocence I lose every life. Come by the guns up by the night. But never let Satan control the light. Cause some are hypocrites and some are parasites. Fly by day and pitch by night. Always try to break your vibes, but never let them hurt just right now. Is it me tired of the fussy? A full time will live loving. And ask God for more blessing. And spread the love we got deep within. believer. You know me tired than the first year. One time will you love me? And love for more. Lada. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave it. Yeah, but an album launch and no party today. I know. Well, yeah.
What is it?
Watch it. Something I beg you right now. Nothing for going on the show. You saw me, I beg you right now. Not let them all on the show. So you saw me, I beg you right now. Nothing for going on the show. You saw me, I beg you right now, Lord. Not let them all on the show. Divide and rule. That's what they're trying to achieve, but it's evil scheme. That's what they always can see. Oh yes, I know. You see, I've been too many of these. The pain you felt will make you feel like you never speak. But that was there for me to put me on my feet. Get it? That I was there for we to put me on our feet.
One Emma.
Tell me I beg you right now. Not kill people on the show. You tell me I beg you right now. You tell me I beg you right now. What up?
Big up
Emma. Stop it. Greetings and blessings to your prize in Emma and to your journey. I will see a mash up down so Phantom Call and the thing. I will love that. Much respect. Keep the focus. No make nobody tell you you can't do what you want. You can't make it in the music. Enough of them do that. And don't make no boy try trick you. Yeah, enough of them in the music business. Stay focused with that. Big up yourself. See it? Yeah. And that's when you're going to leave the place and so on. Give thanks, Jaja. Give thanks, Father. Give thanks for the way you show. You are the only way I know. And I've never let me down. No, no. You are my light through the darkness of the night. You are my light to say you're always shining bright. You are my friend when them think I'm alone. Me chant me prayer, one must stay in my zone. You are my going out and my going in. You are the melody in the song that I sing. Beg and I try, but they never can win. Me say my wall in I say, give thanks, Jaja. Give thanks, Father. Give thanks for the way you show. You are the only way I know. You never let me down. No, no. I was give thanks when I'm said to I and I. Let us go into the house of Emperor Celestia. And I feature standing I gate to Jerusalem. Jerusalem is being like a shield. I and I love when you know people. And you hear me? And I try down and give praises. I see a journey to each and every one of all artists. I love and respect to the Rastafari. And you hear me? I said, what?
One love.
Yes, my God.
Bad day, chair. Come on, come on.
Hey, brother.
Jamaica. Yeah, Maria Masoka.
I try to reach you, I feel stronger feeling.
Yeah, man, now we see an earthquake in a room, and we burn the wicked until there are no more around, a perpetual fire for the base. I will say yellow area is the last say impress on and I have to balance variation from that time till this time, even for even more. I will say we burn the man alone world and we burn the girl alone world. How to high balance variation. Ash. Run already. Go and give them an acapella meanwhile. Alright, I want to name protect the children. Let's see what we are saying. So. Come drive them and get trouble. Yes, Rasta. Come drive them now. Wow, we know something. Yeah.
Just about to come find him.
Alright, I could give them that acapella. I don't want your name. Protect the little children while them child along. Could a boy or girls, no matter where them from. It's our duty to protect them and keep them safe. So how comes that them some boy a kill and all a rape out? Who no feel when them a ball out? Sometimes they know you go to all your name, them a call out. Forget read that you are you go all out. Put fire in your wire, make you fall out when I call out. Rusty skin boy, you are perfect. From the children part where you better divert. Go take the wings of the morning and leave her. Cause if you start walking on children, what not drive so all you miss a gun clown. How could that way you have a proof when you shoot down the infant? One ball of lightning feel like you down instant. The youth them really need a recreation, may ask. Where will the children play? Yeah, yeah. Boy, you shoot them with them AK, wicked and they twitch, burn them and them deadly. Check this, yo. Oh, where will the children play? Yeah, yeah. Boy, you shoot them with them AK, wicked and they twitch, burn them and them deadly. Check this, yo. Them a kill off the adult, now the children. Them a target man a rape little boy like how them rape little Margaret. Same when me say it, so what same when me attack it. The people them a bad for jungle justice, yo. Babylon the pan a time bomb and the ticking. Behind these infant poverty stricken. Investors now come around, that's why me burn them dirty system and a that shot bus and it kill him. It take ability to raise a child that the rule them with the embrace man and kill people, children, then boast. I tell them friend them in better than 10 ghosts. But him judgment day at 20 times 10 dose, yo. Where? Run a chuck. Rastafari, Selassie, run a chuck. Yeah man, let's run a bad chuck. Yes, Rastafari. Kick it off. Nothing. Nothing. Half of the thumb, half of the laptop.
No, you just pick up enough.
Alright. Burn them down. Burn them down. Make him test it. Got it, monkey juggle, you know. Make him test it, burn them down. Alright, I go rock with it.
Oh my fucking god, man.
Anyway. Hey, come on. Coming into the smoke on the urban sensimilia. No burn when it put on by the scene. I make them proud as I herbed up in Mosina. I'm smiling on myself and Cecilia. The first time before the earth, me fall in love with it. But Rastafari, where's
Hi, hey, tell them me not play with it. Yo, Babylon, them go and read it. Me want it down, me burn them every day with it. Rastafari, the answer, you wearing it. But, yo, hey, I Kobe. Tell them, say them should know this and them choke off. Now the bottomless pit, you tell them to choke off. On this pit, tell them, say they you fuck off. Babylon, me tell you, say that everything they go burn off. Can't miss the fire when the fire you turn on. Yo, I should tell me say it. Yo, we are for I Kobe.
From a quick way, got this system. I'm both of them and I'm the wicked. Look at what they the victim. And the wicked man turn out in team. And we jailhouse and prison full of one set of paper. Look what they talk to water the police vehicle. And poor people think they never treat them. Politician with us Messiah preach. I have been given them down. We earthquake, lightning and thunder. You got an ammunition of a savior. Oh, you call prophets and don't go failure. And I have been given them down. We earthquake, lightning and ice smart.
And this one is like fire rain. And this one is burn fire rain. And this one is blaze fire rain. Hey, like Celestia, Empress, Simon, Irene. This a fire blaze fire rain. This a fire is fire me, hey. Me no business who honor me. Me a yet Celestia, Empress, Simon. Word when a thundering sound. Babylon system is falling down to the ground. Fire burn, tired fear my people them are no mix. Word when a thundering sound down. Babylon system is falling down to the ground. Fire burn. Yeah, me no skinny coach. Give me a one jack mix. Illuminati and Freemason them go set up a plan to kill other people them with taxes anytime them can. One out of fire where we use burn corruption. So me go dash that in the house of Pentagon. It hotter than the beast burn out and the poor burn out. I said I see use a lightning but the wicked man short. 60 million beasts them hear me now.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, man, me big up the Locks promoter in the city, you know what I mean? Levels of consciousness, you know, all the thing got January the 10th, 2026. So right now we're there, so a Ishentical festival in a Portmore of fix things. So you know when fire turn up, the frequency get kind of higher. So the selector can't even find the rhythm them and the tongue jive them not really work right. But him not have nobody for rhythm. So it's not like a ism and schism thing. See? So you just balance the thing and do like a volume, because a long time probably you know let them do something. You know what I mean? Well, this is not a vibe, stay alive. Just pull it up and start it again. You have more rhythm, give it rhythm. You have things that them and you have the thing them and you play around. You playing around. Why one time volcano family forward or what? Two volcano Europe and in a big my friend. Selassie I am Empress and every man me here come a heal man and love man. Bad man alone world. Watch you now. It's often clear to see the ones suffering are the poor. Cause of miseducation, the system keep them sore. Day by day them search for wealth, while the leaders keep them quiet. No love and care for the people them should represent. Let the youth them a cry out, cry out, cry out for love. Too much of them a die out, die out. No one to say love, but the youth them a cry out, cry out, crying out for love. Too much of them a die.
Thank you.
Balance the fire for a little bit when we trod from Trenchtown River. Jungle, take a look at Riverton. See the leaders not give a damn. Luke Lane, Matthews Lane and over Tivoli. Spanish Town, rent from round to Rivoli. Well, east side, south side. The youth them tired, they asleep outside. Which part? Bowali and Portmore. Right now we are going to circle the score. Cause when you see I chant verses when carpet fling down. They could shine feared up in a New Kingston. But no to the ghetto where that brood bring down. Them dirty Willie Lynn syndrome. And them about for no expense. I hate guns them bring come. See the youth them have them evil as voices spin down. Well yo, ya bloody outcome. Them rap the income in the system. Them lose and win some. Left the youth them a cry out, cry out, cry out for love. Too much of them a die out, meaning no one to say love. The youth them a cry out, crying out for love. Too much of them a die. I caution, I will tell you this. When me tell you about Shanty Town, police on the place in a scanty town. Watch, visitors here to come around town. You heard about water column, you turn a plant for drown. In a Shanty Town, the beast them shoot a monkey down. Slew your uncle, you want it down, you a clown. If you heard about water, turn up the fire pone. It's gold and green, no separation. Get to use your life, need navigation. First of all, you got to make more preparation. Ethiopia repatriation. And for my nation, no frustration, no devastation, no. Cause everything they bring forth manipulation. Which part? In a Shanty Town, police them shoot them and pin down. Watch it, visitors scared to come around town. Keep your head above water, cause them youth and a plant for drown. In a Shanty Town, the beast them shoot them and pin down. Slow your uncle, you want it down, you a clown. Go keep your head above water. No make me use them cry out for love. Too much of them a Bulla. Yes, Rastafari, live in Nairobi.
Yes, Rastafari. I see an earthquake in a room and we burn the wicked until there are no more around. I let Celestia and press on and I ask a balanceation. Kick it again. Yes, Rastafari. I want to tell you when I have to wear a black command, because when I left for black command, you know. Yes, Rastafari. Also high balance. Anyway. Yo. Okay. See it then? Black woman from America and she hold a fresh. So she tired and she needs some rest. She said if you pass her a split when she distressed. Almost a why she really need a good sex. What? Excitement in a deep bedroom. She happy as a lark, she not dead like a moon. No. She don't know which pussy a fly from bedroom. Stick a whisper in a maze and say she love her. Me you bitch step over. Good nightmare. Oh, I really need to hold you, baby. I know you're not gonna really disappoint me, Lucy. I go there. Good nightmare. Oh, I really need to hold you, baby. I know you're not balancing. She start to play in a Melax alone, shot and picky. Up a minute, she put both half dozen picky. I tell Rasta, me no give her not a quickie. She no giving her wrong bang a straight picky. Oh, you take her on a love excursion. She hold on for me tight and say, come me a come to the road, bossy, and a bro. Me have to use up my knife like a surgeon. She say, oh, big nightmare. Oh, I really need to have you, baby. I know you're not really disappoint me, no. She say, I go there. Big nightmare. Oh, I really need to have you, baby.
Me see her, you know. Watch that. Me say, the way the
water at me say she burning up. Like a 6, 7 to 8 burn and stove turn up. It's like when wood in a fire blazing up. She a ball and I said the push her hurt her stomach. That's when she tell her she need I and I. No time at all, she won't leave I and I. She will always be near to receive I and I. Not deceive I, no time at all. Keep that groove on, girl, groove on. Like how you put your shoes on. Keep that groove on, your groove on. Like how you put your clothes on. Keep that groove on, your groove on. Like how you put your shoes on. Keep that groove on, your groove on. Like how you put your watch in a she tall blouse and skirt or short dress. Black slip and she in a sexiness. Rastafari to the fullness. She not in a no form of filthiness. That's why I love to heights and caress. Suzette and Empress Annette. Empress McCade and never get left low and I knows that she have the righteousness, girl. Groove on, just groove on. Like how you put your shoes on. Keep that groove on, your groove on. Like how you put your clothes on. Keep that groove on, your groove on. Like how you put your shoes on. Keep your groove on, your groove on. Dango, what you say?
Yeah, Sheldon, that one on your kush. Where we ta try chatting a me la push. I wanna bun players in a bush. But you be in a me la artist we look. But you be canvas a artist we book. Selassie ya killing people when they sell on sky and sea. And call and them could be joyful as the bar I live road when I'm praise Almighty and God. Yeah.
Oh, I was just clicking my neck.
Oh. Yeah. Selassie ya. That one your name a Bobby Radar. Authority. Marathon around the town country. But you be in a million and you run maternity. You can bust and then you run charity. Then you run factory. You don't spend them all industry. But marathon around the town country. A Bobby Radar authority. Then you run charity. But you be done spend them and you run maternity. I can't run it to a town country. Where you did all industry. You done it when then you run company. I can't do a town country. What is it?
Buy and I some marijuana. Me the young skinny kush. Buy and I some high grade. Make me burn it, me not afraid. Buy and I some marijuana. Big Devon, you there? Give buy and I some high grade. Skinny kush. We got herb in a parcel, herb in a pound, herb in a weight likewise in a tons. We got herb from country. Stash up in a town, herb they are my yard and enough can't done them. When me shoot and be wrong about some them gun. Claim say them a shoot innocent people picking it down. No way to hide them can't escape no run. Have a launch now a judgment come. You sight. Buy and I some marijuana. Boy. Buy and I some high grade. Brand new, I sent it out. This officer me not in around. Kick back on the meditation. Wear marks and sing some song. Do you check a situation? Tell them say me nah pop no money, I just weed and gaba. I see it weed and gaba in my brain. I just weed and gaba. Just weed and gaba. No cigarette and weed and gaba. Me say no way. I just weed and gaba. I just weed and weed. That's like a lemma. Herbs alone are in me sponsor. Cigarette and something where we give you cancer now. Think I like ask me grandmother. Take a good look on the cigarette paper. They tell the cigarette I eat to kill you slowly. And I'm not afraid. Me tell them me say that's a show from the start. Give me some money, come on, now on the top. That's why me say give I and I some marijuana. Me the yarn, give I and I some marijuana. Skinny kush upon me. Give I and I some marijuana. I go be say him want a split and him not afraid.
You know what I do? Yo, I plant weed, me reap weed, me smoke weed, me eat weed, me give a weed, me keep weed up me yard weed, me street weed. Put it in a paper, just stand
again. You say, alright? Ganga, you're not fight. But I heard about this time. But you ain't lie. Alright. We're there. A festival in a Portmore. Logistic right on the shore. Some artists come and sing for sure, but the place and now them left out of Portmore. Give I a nice some marijuana. With a yarn, yeah. Give I a nice some high grade. Make me burn it, me no afraid. Give I a nice some marijuana. Give I a nice some high grade. I told you, where did I say? Yo, me plant weed, me reap weed, me smoke weed, me eat weed, me give a weed, me keep weed up me yard weed, me see weed. Rub it and I fight it up, then just can't defeat weed. Fire for them and them where you walk, and sleep with them, me liar, Dr. Indian and me cheap weed. Me go me set me up 51 youths and a cheap weed. Me weed, me work up on the flip out of me treat weed. But it's a comfort and fake hate and cheap weed. Well, the record said, we suffer the best stuff. Original purpose, confess, we end cup. If we don't get most, get me record best stuff. When I be me own driver, I be take bus. Herb is a must that me now go rest up. More herb for the boat, cause I get it well cut. When I with the ring rubber and the eye can lift us in a circle. When you key you bless up and blaze up. Skinny cushion juggle sound pan the black soul man so hot. But I book and everyone so shot. Like a fake one Babylon system so slack. Babylon the from you can bash up the weed contract. It put on the table make mommy can shop. So me happy for your system and put weed contact. Watch it, can bash up the weed contract. Real herbalist a deal with. Cali weed good for me longer. Let me burn left, right, left and center. Put it in a pump night and no enter.
Are you serious?
Where's the earth thing? Emma, what we ask for? Aye. Service Ocala, in a chocolate, the one the Popala, the Chinese when we have it is a Ocala. That's a barrel, they say me when we don't have that. What's the deal? Africa, we say me float on that. What? Chokara, hey, go shot! Come here!
Sure. I got it. Now them left drive out of Portmore.
Where we get me a tip up, boy.
Notorious, glorious. Give I some marijuana. Me the yarn, yeah. Give I a nice some high grade. Put a place. What did I say?
So color, chocolate, me more the Popala, the Chinese when we have it is a Popala. Rastafari, they say me when we don't have that. The deal, the Africa, they say me float on that. What do they get to carry? Me in the rock and keep on every night. The deal, the Africa, they say me float on that. What?
Yo, platinum, me get a big split. To make me head tap lift. Me nah go burn no crack and me nah go sip. I feel light up the biggest split. To make me head tap lift. Give me push, make them know. So to me on the act, grab up with the paid. Before that, me have to pick out this seed. When you're looking at me, you see me eyes, them a bleed. Me go link up skinny kush, the things I'm never need. Yo, new land where we bust them head. When me rise up, they get them can't touch them head. When me burn the weed, I know we have to pull a mess.
Tonight when I want dead, I want give I a nice some marijuana. With a yarn, yeah. Give I a nice some high grade. But we sitting up with Jesus. Give I some marijuana. With a yarn, yeah. Identical. No, don't look identical. Yeah, the first one dreamy, just can it tell me, she tell me, cigarette is not a good somebody. You know what people they are them die by it. So me grandson me, I beg you please go with. The second one Jimmy, it was me granny Puna, she said, me that she die by cancer. Me grandson still sponsor beer ganja because cigarette now no one, so that's a me not on the money. I just weed and gabba.
on my brain. I just weed and grabber. That's why me tell them say, herbs alone I eat me sponsor. Cigarette I eat to give you cancer. Think a liar, think grandmother, take a good look on the cigarette paper. Until the cigarette I eat to kill the soul, and then no breathe. Me tell them, me say that's a joke for me start. Well, I know, I probably can't change it. Remember, you don't know what I say, I go to shop. Can't see it and you're coming back. I wonder if a family Jamaica one jam and one stop. But she says she see me something I burn and I wonder if I burn dog. Until she get a one phone call. My daughter they in this spot forever can't escape. My baby can't escape. Paper can't escape. Yeah. We did it, hey, you! It's a big man. And the other you feel to have a little girl on your teeth and wheel. My yap. Watch it, you're the slim thing. My yap, the slim thing.
This is it.
No, the slim thing. Remember we find it?
Slim thing.
Yeah. The rest of fullness.
Slim thing.
You find it? Check it out, man. Slim thing. Yes, that's the father. Keep up on this time,
Production.
Alright, if you can't find it, you be there, you know. Burn it down. Kick it. Alright, keep burning it down.
Yes, sir.
Hi, baby. Where you find them song there? Rastafari, run it. Find a rhythm, make it us. Yeah, man, just kick a rhythm.
I see him fall.
Yeah, man.
I see him fall.
Alright.
I don't want water, no good. We're good, man. We're good.
Alright, let me work with that one. Bada bang bang, bada bang bang, bada bang. That one in here, rough and tough. Highway and I-40. Anyway, the wicked are no traitors. I live on weekends and I say them courageous like the youth. I saw them contagious. If I burn them and them thinking ways. A long time Babylon never save us. From the snake and the wolf lifesavers. Look at them a rasta still a hide and a shake up a your place. Oh yeah, all them a up and puff. And I go like them rough and tough. When a them heart full of muck and pus, them a call like children slut and cuff. Oh, them worse than a mean dog. Them and them old damn team fraud. Life is easy though it seems hard. It could be not open no visa and no green card. When me look, light up the fire from early show. Mem spend it so me use per the yoke. Ash, the fire still burning out. Dirty mind plus dirty mouth. Chop. A lot of eggs chopping up, who no get bleed out. Ice cream get shot in that. Do I say him better than Morgan and shot him up? But juvenile team pan a wall and shot him up. The wicked are no traitors. I live pan weekends and I say them courageous like this. I saw them contagious. If I burn them on them dirty ways out. A long time, baby, I'm gonna want it.
Yes, that's I have to go. That's just last guy and see that part. Now I'm gonna be my lead in a vlog. Like a lion, them a lion, them a lead in a vlog. Like a bobo, them a lion, them a lead in a vlog. But yet, very nice, mama. You tell me, remember, see the round the clock. But yet, all men are cool. Them a lead in a vlog. Like a lion, them a lion, them a lead in a vlog. They turn them tough like iron. You enter in Jagan, Baba, them a leading a flock. Like a lion, them a lion, them a leading a flock. The well, them go tough like iron. The entering the dragon box.
I'm gonna go his loading up and see the camera. Give me my water.
It's a training ground, but not an amateur ground. You can't take up machine and me say it's not a training ground or an amateur ground. Hear what? Careful what you said. While enough of them a beat up them mouth and them gum, like how them beat up them finger and the trigger of the gun, and them a no response so much when it come down. Them find a joy, you know them say, see when blood a run, me see them a big pull up. You know how come from Far East? Yeah man, and when we step in the west, you conquer the beast. North and south, no arms house. Yeah man, still the coach, I shan't call still about the blood sport. Alright then. Well there are festival in a Portmore for sure. I some I shantical for sure. I some skinny push more and more. Big up the people them because them tolerate this for sure. With there are festival in a Portmore. I some I shantical for sure. We big up skinny push just a little bit more. They talk to the people because them tolerate this. Why not for being from them mouth and them gum? Like how them beat up the finger and the trigger of the gun and them and a response so much body come down. Turn up the rhythm, let me hear what the rhythm and talk to me say. Well them a beat up them mouth and them gum. Like how them beat up the finger and the trigger of the gun and them and a response so much body come down. Them find a girl well like them more by a gun. First night they do what? Rape Miss Matthews. Rape Miss Matthews and them took someone out who they took out. Miss Matthews I know not who they took out. Me never did hear no rumbling but them took someone out. Because when we hear it from the dog in all the street round and about this Mr. Brown they took them out. Miss Matthews put his face on and down more than the ground. Boom boom bang bang from Mr. Brown they took a couple and to the pound. Mr. Brown never went down. I see said them a clown. She said them a clown. Mr. Brown never went down. Look at them a beat up them mouth and them gum. Like how them beat up them finger and the trigger of the gun and them and a response so much body come down. Them boy not joy will I say more fire gun. Me say them a beat up them mouth and them gum. Like how them beat up them finger and the trigger of the gun and them and a response so much body come down. I shan't take consent ready to burn them down. Here when the man that talk, sister talk, uncle talk, the brother talk. Johnny was a good boy. Look where Johnny talk. I walk around the community building, there's so much people in one shot. Johnny was a good boy now. Look at Johnny talk. I walk around the community building, there's so the people them. You know. Holy Emmanuel I Selassie, yeah! Rastafari, how's thy best now? Portmore. Them lost in the bombs and guns and crime. Listen the youths them search, nowhere to be found. Yo, meditation lost in the bombs and guns and crime. Listen the youths them search, nowhere to be found. Yo, hey, come back to Portmore, go straight to Kentire. Burn Babylon with the fire. Put your back nation when they want to devour. The youths them crying out. Kill off the people, them burn them with fire. We are born for them, it a go too far. Babylon, me say that to us, you a liar. I go be reading now. Them last in no bombs and guns and crime. We say the youths them search, nowhere to be found. No love, the meditation lost in no bombs and guns and crime. Yes, youths them search. When you say I call it, I know that I'm the one them last, you know. You know what I'm last, you know, so.
out that in a them face, girl, I sit a chop on then show while a them face, girl, a piss. You know me say them a big nasty name. Yo, them Roman, me say them tongue too stiff. Jiggle who walk out that in a them face, girl, I sit a chop on them show a face, girl, a piss. You know me say them what on? The one ya don't fuck me, you feed to them raw. So boy come out up here, pussy them a chaw. Them and ya make like burger, and ya make like coleslaw. Left all the keep and then y'all boom boom down. Boy ya buy boom make me so quick. So that's how it works. What's up with burn, woman, we burn bow cat? Bow pussy and all bow rats. Anyway, one more time. Me say them romantic, me say them tongue toasted. Jiggle who walk out that in a them face, gyal a piss a chop bout one them show in a them face, gyal a piss. You know me say them a big nasty nigga. Them romantic, me say them tongue toasted. Jiggle who walk out that in a them face, gyal a piss a chop bout one them show in a them face, gyal a piss. You know me say them a big nasty nigga. No one a do what me a feed to them raw. Some boy come bout up here, pussy them a chaw. Them and ya make like burger and ya make like coleslaw. Lip all the keep and then girl boom boom ja. Boy ya buy pussy fish and bread and them partner straw. Here nasty if them come and go on with ya. Then turn a buffing and the young man ja. Girl when them and them a feed them too strong. Romantic, me say them tongue toasted.
Pull up, reaching out to mama. Not around. Boy, you don't know the thing, go. All who miss a loved one. Right, Notorious. You know the thing, go. More than sick and crazy.
Yeah, they don't like it.
Yeah. Reach it out to mama. You're not around, you don't know the thing, go. Out of all the mommy in the world, you are the best mommy. You bring forth life, you're blessed to me. You know you're not around, it a get to me. Mama, you not deserve it to me. And knows what's best, so in peace you rest, mommy. The devil bring temptation and test to me. You're in me heart, man. Life destiny, non-stop in life, because life make mama from your pass away me and happy, yeah. Even though I remember you in happy way, you be kid them come and take your life away. Mother sick and crazy. Now the new land. When them say skinny coach, reaching out to mama. All who miss a loved one, they don't know the thing go. Mad. Out of all the mommy in the world, you are the best mommy. You bring forth life, so you're blessed to me. You know you're not around, it a get to me. Mama, you not deserve it to me. John knows what's best, so in peace you rest, mommy. The devil bring temptation and test to me. You're in me heart, man. Life destiny, not stop your life because life make to me. Mama from your pass away and happy, yeah. Even though I remember you in happy way, the wicked them come and take your life away. But the goodness that you do will never decay. You bring your youth them, you grow them the right way, yeah. Tell them go to school, teach them how to pray. You never want your kids them to stray, yeah. Mama, you must sail on the King's Highway. Oh yeah, from my ear down. Madam, sit down.
That one is you digested. See, no interested. No believe in I bested. Oh, the way I invested. Oh, you digested. See, never interested. No believe in I investing. Not so teach
Oh, I think I dropped it in the when I was pouring the drink.
I think it was.
No, it's
I go shots. No, bless up skinny kush.
I dropped it in my cup when I was.
You know fire we still about. Bless up mama, but you know fire we about for room. Now Freedom Redemption International, Black Redemption, Black Repatriation. Real and chant, you know what I mean? Out of this desperate land. Boy, free water we. Babylon just give me away. Free water we. Shot it to the end, they planning to kill I. Show me that spend upon you with some to see I. When me caught them on the night, all of us are.
Answer them away. I don't know. Violent lyric in a song is misleading to a nation. I'm sitting on a time bomb. Majority wants sing gun song till I and I. If violent lyric in a song ain't misleading to the young generation. Small ass music reflect our culture. Oh yes it's true, oh yes it's true. We should also appreciate love that music influence our culture. Yeah. No time for the blame game. We all have our parts to play. Let's ice up Marcus Garvey plan to bring forward sweet AA. Cause we're sitting on a time bomb. Ask when them away. Until I and I. If the violent lyric in a song ain't misleading to the younger generation, them sitting. What is it? Brand new. So right now we're giving it, you know what I mean?
I don't know how.
Something are going out there, and you know what I mean? I say. Alright. It's out of the request. Alright. It's often clear to see the one suffering on the poor. Because of miseducation, so the system keep them sore. Day by day they search for wealth, while the leaders keep their wealth. No love and care for the people they should represent. Let the youths them a cry out, crying out for love. Too much of them a die out. Selassie are the first. And you know we are so we can't free and dumb. So this song is by request. You know what I mean? Big up Black Command. Yeah man. You soon bring forth life out of your chest, you know. It's often clear to see the one suffering on the poor. Cause of miseducation, the system will keep them sore. Day by day they search for wealth, while the leaders keep them wealth. No love and care for the people they should represent. Let the youths them a cry out for love. Too much of them a die out. No one to say love. The youths them a cry out for love. Too much of them a cry out. I cushion, I would tell them this. When I try from Trenchtown, Rima, Jungle, take a look at Riverton. City leaders not give a damn. Locally and matches lane and over Tivoli. Spanish Town, Redman round to Rivoli. Well, east side, south side, the youths them tired for sleep outside. Well, festival in a Portmore, Newland, we gonna settle the score. Cause the next thing I see I just verses red carpet fling down. Get Kushite feared up in a New Kingston. But no to the ghetto where the brood bring down. Them dirty with the late syndrome. And them a bad for expense. I had guns them bring come. So the youth them have them evil as forces spin down. Well yo, ya bloody outcome. Them rap the income in other sinking them lose and win some. Let the youths them a cry out for love. Too much of them a die out. No one to say love. The youth them a cry out for love. Too much of them a die. So you know when they tell you about Shantytown, police them turn the place in a Shantytown. You know I call. Visitors get scared to come around town. Watch that. Keep way above water, cause them roads are no plan to drown. Still I see the person for sign. Jason, where's it?